Good morning, my dear children. So welcome you all to the science session, chapter number 11, that is motion and measurement of distances. So in this chapter we are going to clearly study about how important the measurement is in our daily life and what is the motion. So in our daily life, how we are using this motion, and in our modern life is very fast and busy, and we are going to use the vehicles for the shorter distance, for the longer distance, and want to travel from one country to other. We are using different kinds of the transport. So regarding motion, we are going to study everything in detail. So as we all know, what is a transportation? Means it's nothing but traveling from one place to another is called as the transportation. So there are three means of transport. One is called land transport, water and air transport. Suppose we have to travel for a small distance, means for around half a kilometer or within half a kilometer, means what we are going to use? We are going to use cycle, is it? Suppose we have to travel from one place to another for a little longer distance, we will prefer two-wheeler, is it? So everything, why this transport is necessary for this transportation from one place to another, which all kind of the vehicles we will use, everything in detail we are going to study. So as we all know, there are three means of transportation, is it? One is land, water and air transport. So what is this land transport? Means any kind of vehicles which are moving on land, like cars, trucks, motorcycles, motorbikes are called land transport, and those vehicles we are moving in water, either in the seas and oceans, like ship, boat, these are called water transport. And while traveling in the air, in the aeroplane, we are going to use the aeroplane, that is called air transport. Got it, students? So this is regarding the transportation. So next I like to tell you few things about the story of transport. So in ancient time, few ancient peoples, so now we are have provided two-wheelers, four-wheelers, lorry, trucks, everything for traveling, is it? But what about our ancient peoples? They have to travel from one place to another, means they would usually use some animals like elephants, horses, bulls, ox in order to move from one place to another, is it? And you can see in the ancient people, Maharaja, Maharanis, where everyone in the road transport, they would carry them and they would lift from one village to another. These are the different kinds of the transport in which ancient people were using. So after the invention of the wheel came, it became still more easier for the transportation, like inventing trucks, cars, scooters, everything came. So after that came a steam engine. So by using the steam engine, we were running the trains, steam engine trains, is it? Even by using the steam engine also, it became very much easy to transport more amount of the people from one place to another. So later electric trains came, and also monorail, supersonic aeroplanes came, spacecraft, everything which came, which made our traveling very faster and easier. Got it, students? So this is regarding the transport, means of transport of 20th and 21st centuries.